welcome back to mediapush series. This is Amar from Ant Media Server, and today I'll show you how you can use mediapush to record a conference room in Ant Media Server. In the first video, we went through the process of installation and a quick demo on how you can use Ant Media. And today I'll show you how you can use mediapush to record your conference in Ant Media Server in simple 4 steps. Let's get started. Conference call using mediapush plugin. Like I advised, there are 4 simple steps that we'll need to follow. The first thing is we'll need to join a conference room, merge all the participants in the conference room. There are 2 ways to do that. You can use multitrack-play.html page or the merge streams HTML page to merge the streams, then capturing the merge streams with mediapush plugin. This is the step that I've showed you in the first video, and sending it back to the Ant Media server. And the final step is recording it. This is what we are going to do today. So let's jump right into it. So in order to join a conference room, we first need to join 2 or 3 participants into that particular room. So I already have 2 sessions ready here that I want to join in. So let me create one more here. Okay, so now I'll click on join room. So this is joined and you can see it is publishing. Let me click on the next one. So we are all joining into the room 1 and creating a conference. So now I have 3 participants in my conference room, and all these 3 participants can be seen here. So this is my Ant Media server. I'm just logging in to show you that the 3 participants are now into a single conference room. So the room 1 is created and you can see it is broadcasting, and the 4 viewers are basically each person in the conference is viewing the others, and hence you are seeing this as a viewer. Let's get now that the conference has started, we'll have to merge the streams. And how do you merge the streams? We'll use multi-track-play HTML page to merge these streams, and I have that ready here, and you can see it is already doing that. In order to do that, all you need to do is you need the server URL. I am currently using, this is my server URL inside the application live app, and I'm using the multi-track-play HTML page and the ID of the room. ID of the room is room 1, and as you can see here, and hence all the 3 screens are live, and you can see that the screens are being merged. Now the next step, going into the next step, we'll have to initialize the mediapush plugin. And how do you initialize the mediapush plugin? It's via an API, and in order to use that API, you'll have to first log into your Ant Media server. So I'm going to do that. In the top screen here, I just got the command from my AWS window, and I'll be into my server. So I'm into my server. Let's quickly clear the screen. I have the APIs ready to start the mediapush now, which is the 3rd step into the video, like I advised. So I'll just paste that here. So the command is ready, and let's just wait for it to run and start the mediapush on our server. There you go, the success is true, and you now have the data ID, which is basically the stream ID of the mediapush on the server. And you can see the same stream ID is created here, and when you play it, you'll be able to see the 3 screens from the conference. So basically the entire conference room is being recorded here. There you go. So now I'll just close this. Let's come back here. So now the next step is to record the conference room. Using the UI, the recording can be made pretty simple. So you just need to go to the mediapush stream, click on the hamburger icon and click on start MP4 recording, and you can see the recording has started. Let's give it a couple of seconds to verify the recording can be done like this or not. So I've given it a couple of seconds. Let's just go. Now you can see stop MP4 recording. The MP4 recording has stopped, and give it a couple of seconds to appear in the VOD window. Yeah, there you go. So the recording is now available for you. So this is one way. The other way is to simply use the APIs to do the job for you. So now I need to just replace the stream ID here. The stream ID is this. So let me just replace that in my start call as well as the end call. Let me just increase the font here so you can clearly see it. And now you can see that it is just the curl command is basically the AND media server, the application, the rest v2 broadcast, and we are using the stream ID and starting the recording as true. This is basically starting the mp4 recording on the media push stream ID. So I'll put this, hit enter. There you go. Now you can see the success equal to true, the message is there, and then it gives you the ID of the stream saying that the recording is true. Now come back to verify it. This is the stream, and you can see there is stop mp4 recording here. So now let's use the stop command as well. Let's use the stop command again just to verify the recording is stopped. So now all you need to change is the recording is false at the end. I'll hit enter. mp4 recording has stopped. Okay, looks like I ran it twice. I'm sorry for that. Okay, let's stop the recording now. So I copied the command, I pasted it here. All it says is recording equal to false in the end, and let's hit enter. Now the success is true. Now you should see stopped recording here. So basically now it says start recording again, and you should be able to see the recorded stream back here. It was only one, I did it twice, so we now see two recording streams. So that's it. So this is how you use mediapush plugin to record your streams. I hope you liked the video, and in the next video I'll show you how you can use composite layouting in and media using the mediapush plugin. See you all then. Bye bye.